Hi, my name is Matt with Doug's Car Care. We have for sale a 2003 Geo Tracker engine. Just want to give you a little demonstration of how well the engine does run. It does not smoke, there's no noises with it. It does have a little bit of oil leak around the valve cover, which is normal. There is a little exhaust leak. But other than that, the engine runs excellent. Also, we have many other parts in this vehicle that we are selling. Walk inside here. We're going to give it a little gas test here. Again, lots of body parts are available. Seats, mirrors, hood, grill, radiator, and we do ship nationwide. Stand behind all of our products for a 90-day warranty. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 910-353-0196, or visit our website, dougscarcare.com.